Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand weekly settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you search about Everand app. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.